Hi, this is Brian, still in Mikolaiv. At the moment I'm waiting for the ambulance which we're going to take on to Kherson on Friday with another ambulance to the hospital where the maternity unit was bombed yesterday. Luckily nobody was hurt, which is a blessing. I just wanted to show you what it's like in the middle of Mikolaiv at the moment. I'm walking down one of the main streets. And as you can see, you've got stalls selling Christmas lights because right at the moment we don't have a power cut. As you can see, everyone's going on completely as normal, even though we're actually in the middle of an air raid. They've got so used to air alarms in this area now that pretty much everyone ignores them. Yeah, okay. I guess there's only so many times you can go and hide in a basement. Anyhow, I will update you as soon as possible.